If you need to cancel your Monster subscription, follow these simple steps to ensure the process goes smoothly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Monster website and log into your account using your email and password. This is necessary to access your subscription settings. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings or Profile section. This is typically found in the upper right corner of the home page or in the menu. Step 3. Find subscription details. In the account settings, look for a section labeled Subscription or Billing. Here, you will find details about your current subscription plan. Step 4. Select Cancel Subscription. Within the subscription section, there should be an option to cancel subscription. Click on this option and follow any prompts that appear to confirm your cancellation. Step 5. Check for confirmation. After cancelling, you should receive a confirmation email or notification on the website. Make sure to keep this confirmation for your records in case of any issues later. Once you've completed these steps, your Monster subscription will be cancelled. If you have any further questions or need assistance, consider reaching out to customer support.